So, welcome back, term 2. Today we are going to start lesson 10. The name of the chapter is Essential for Life, Air and Water. Right? What are essential for life? Air and water. Essential means important, necessary, right? So which two things are necessary for us to survive? They are air and water, right? So we will be discussing about air and water in this chapter. So all of you are ready? Hope you all are ready. Keep your books opened. Keep your rough copies in your hands, your pencils in your hands, and note down the important points. Right? First of all, let us start with the term atmosphere. Before that, let us discuss something about air. Bacche, do you know what air is? You feel air all around yourself. There is air present everywhere. Everywhere there is air. You people cannot survive without air. There is no life without air. And one thing more, are you able to see air? Can you see air? No, you cannot see air. But you feel it. Can you see air? No. Why? It is transparent. You cannot see the air. But you can feel it. Right? How do you feel the air? When it blows. You feel it. When leaves they sway. पत्ते हिलते हैं ना? Then you feel air is blowing. Right? So, this air, it contains gas that is responsible for your survival. इसी एयर में हमारी ऑक्सीजन है जिसकी वजह से the life it exists. Right? Now what is atmosphere? Suppose this is our earth. What is this? Earth. Now this earth, our earth, is surrounded by a layer of air. This is a layer of air. There is a blanket of air around the earth. This blanket of air around the earth is known as atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Blanket of air that surrounds the earth is known as atmosphere. Right? Now students, this atmosphere, it extends up to 300 kilometer. अर्थ के सरफेस से ये कितना है? It is up to 300 kilometer above the surface of earth. And as we go higher, the level of air, it reduces. The amount of air, it reduces. जैसे जैसे हम ऊपर जाते हैं, the air is lesser. Air becomes lesser. Right? So what we have done, our earth is surrounded by the layer of air that is known as atmosphere. This atmosphere, it extends up to 300 kilometer above the surface of earth. Right? As we go higher up in the mountains, the amount of air, it decreases. Right? You know students, have you ever seen mountaineers that climb up in the mountains? जो लोग पहाड़ी पे चढ़ते हैं, mountaineers, they always carry oxygen cylinder with them. Why the people carry oxygen cylinder with them? Because as we go higher, the amount of oxygen, it decreases. The air becomes thinner. Right? So to survive, to breathe, They need oxygen. Is that clear? Now students, next is what are the layers of atmosphere? There are few layers of atmosphere. A small diagram is there that I will be drawing. You have to draw side by side and I will be explaining to you also one by one every layer. Right? Let us start layers of atmosphere. What we will be doing? Layers of atmosphere. Okay. Basically, there are 5 layers of atmosphere. How many layers of atmosphere? 5 layers. Simply, you can draw a line like this. Okay. Then students, from here, this is Earth. What I have drawn? Earth. Right? From the Earth, now comes another layer. The layer that is very near to the Earth. This is the layer. This layer, the name of this layer, we will be writing the names afterwards. Then comes another layer. Now I am going to start the third layer. This is the third layer. Now comes fourth layer. Now, after this, last layer. अब जो लेयर्स हैं मैं उनको शेडेड पार्ट कर देती हूँ. This is the shaded part. This is the first layer, right? Then comes the second layer. This is the second layer. You can very much shade it for your convenience. Then comes the third layer. Right? Then comes the fourth layer. This is the fourth layer. Now comes the last layer. This is the fifth layer. Now let us write their names. Right? So the first layer is troposphere. Second layer is this layer, stratosphere. Stratosphere. Third layer. This is the third layer. Third layer is mesosphere. Fourth layer. Fourth layer is thermosphere. Then this is the last. This is exosphere. Right? Hurry up, you can draw this. Then we will be discussing the role of every layer. Right? What is the function of every layer? How it is protecting the earth. This is half earth I am showing. Right? Hurry up, students. Hope all of you have made this diagram, because you have to make this in the notebooks also very neatly. Layers of atmosphere. Please don't message me. Yes, students. Now let us discuss the role one by one. Pay attention. The lowest layer, जो अर्थ के सबसे पास है, next to the earth, lowest layer, that is known as troposphere. What do we call it? Troposphere. All the weather changes, जितनी भी वेदर चेंजेस होती हैं, विंड, क्लाउड फॉर्मेशन, रेन, ये सब इस लेयर में होती हैं. All the weather changes take place in troposphere, right? And maximum oxygen is present in this layer. In which layer is the maximum oxygen present? In troposphere. बच्चे, this question is very important. This topic comes in every form. आपको डायग्राम भी आती है एग्जाम में, लॉन्ग आंसर भी आता है, डिस्कस द रोल ऑफ एवरी लेयर ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर, शॉर्ट एमसीक्यूज भी आते हैं. जैसे मैंने अभी बोला, विच इज द लोएस्ट लेयर? ट्रोपोस्फियर. इन विच लेयर द वेदर चेंजेस टेक प्लेस? ट्रोपोस्फियर. राइट? इन विच लेयर मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज प्रेजेंट? दैट इज troposphere. Clear? So be very attentive. This is very important question. So I hope troposphere is clear to you. Next layer is stratosphere. What is stratosphere? This layer is next to the troposphere. Right? Now, how this layer is important? Jet planes, they fly in this layer. Right? Jet planes fly in this layer. Why aeroplanes, jet planes fly in this layer? Because clouds are not present here. Right? ये cloud से ऊपर होके jet planes चलते हैं. Right? Why? Because in this layer very rare clouds are present. And one more important thing, ozone. Ozone is also present in this layer. O3 होता है ओजोन का फॉर्मूला, आप ओजोन ही लिख लो. Ozone. Ozone is present in stratosphere. Now, what is the role of ozone? It protects us from the harmful UV rays of the sun. What ozone is this doing? It is absorbing the UV rays of the sun. So UV rays cannot reach on the earth's surface and we people are protected. Because these UV rays are very dangerous, they can cause eye problems, they can cause skin cancers. Right? So, in stratosphere, which layer is present? Ozone. Two important functions are there. One is jet planes fly in this layer. Number two, ozone layer is present in stratosphere. Is that clear? Now, coming to the third layer, that is mesosphere. In mesosphere, बच्चे, there are some meteoroids or some small rocks that are moving in the space. When they come to the earth's surface, when they try to reach the earth's surface, meteoroids are burnt in this layer. Due to friction of the air, they are burnt. So they do not reach the earth's surface. Is that clear? When meteoroids, they enter the atmosphere, on reaching this layer, mesosphere, meteoroids are burnt. Mesosphere do not allow them to enter on the earth's surface. Due to the friction of the air, they are burnt here in mesosphere only. Right? So we are protected. Because if in any case, any piece of rock or meteoroid, it landed on the earth's surface, it fall on earth's surface, it will cause a great hollow. It will cause a huge hollow. Lot of disastrous things could happen. Right? So mesosphere is protecting us from that meteoroids. Now the question is, what are meteoroids? What are meteoroids? This is the word, meteoroids. These are the small pieces of rocks that move in the space. What are meteoroids? It is given in your book. Did you know में meteoroids की definition दी हुई है? What are meteoroids? They are the small pieces of rocks that move in space. Right? Before they enter the earth's surface, they are burnt here in this layer. Hope this is clear. Next layer is, fourth layer is thermosphere. Thermosphere. In this layer, the space shuttle moves. What happened in this layer? Space shuttle moves in this layer. Right? The last layer or the outermost layer of the atmosphere is exosphere. Beta, this is the outermost layer of the atmosphere. Now, from this layer, actually it is very thin, बहुत पतली सी layer है. From this layer, after beyond this layer, there exists a space. Space शुरू हो जाती है वहाँ से. Right? Earth, it becomes the part of space beyond this layer. Right? And in this layer, very little amount of air is present. Maximum amount of air is present in troposphere and very little amount of air is present in exosphere. Right? क्योंकि इसके बाद पीछे क्या है? Space. And you know there is no air in space. Hope this is clear to all. Let me repeat again. There are 5 layers of atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Blanket of air that surrounds the earth. Right? First layer is troposphere, then stratosphere, then next is mesosphere, then thermosphere, then exosphere. Myra asked the question that how much exosphere is away from the earth. है ना Myra? So the distance from the surface of the earth to the exosphere is 320 kilometer. More than 300 as I told you. Suppose this is the surface of earth. So here 320 किलोमीटर तक, ये हमने पहले 300 करा था, अबाउट 300 किलोमीटर तक एटमॉस्फेयर है. सो एग्जैक्ट इज 320 किलोमीटर. अर्थ से ट्रोपोस्फियर कितना है? 12 किलोमीटर. ये 12 किलोमीटर. देन उसके बाद है स्ट्रेटोस्फियर. स्ट्रेटोस्फियर है 50 किलोमीटर तक. इट इज 50 किलोमीटर. निश्चय you concentrate here. Then after this mesosphere कितना है? It is up to 80 किलोमीटर. Right? Then सबसे बड़ा है थर्मोस्फियर. Okay? Up to 300 किलोमीटर और 320 किलोमीटर. After this there is exosphere which meets with the space. Is that clear? Is that clear? Up to 12 किलोमीटर यहाँ तक क्या है? ट्रोपोस्फियर. 50 किलोमीटर तक क्या है? स्ट्रेटोस्फियर. Then up to 80 किलोमीटर there is mesosphere. Then up to 300 kilometer is thermosphere, and beyond this there is exosphere which meets the space. Right? So if someone asks you that what is the role of atmosphere, what is the importance of atmosphere, so I think all of you are able to tell what is the importance of atmosphere. Number 1, oxygen is present in troposphere, which is required by all the living organisms. Number 2, ozone layer. Ozone layer is present in stratosphere that protect us from harmful UV rays of the sun. Right? Then mesosphere protect us from the meteoroids that try to enter the earth's surface. Then it is also responsible for maintaining temperature on the earth, proper temperature on the earth. This we will be doing later on in this chapter. There is a different topic on this, how it maintains the right temperature. Right? So if there are any doubts, you can raise your hands. You are most welcome to ask the questions. Otherwise, I will be taking the next topic. Mehak, yes, yes. Yes, Mehak. Morning, Mehak. As you wish, as you wish. ठीक है, आपकी फ्राइडे सैटरडे को असाइनमेंट डे आता है. मैं उसमें जितने आपके टॉपिक्स होंगे उनके क्वेश्चंस और साथ में आई विल बी गिव यू द डायग्राम टू ड्रॉ. राइट? It's up to you. If you want to draw today, you can. It's up to you. Right? There is no problem. Now, next is Kritagya. Yes, Kritagya. You are not audible to me, Kritagya. Speak loudly. हाँ जी कृतज्ञा. Ozone, it protects us from the harmful UV rays of the sun, ultraviolet rays of the sun. Right? sun produces ultraviolet rays excuse me, that are harmful to us. These ultraviolet rays, they can cause us eye problems and skin cancer. So ozone layer, it absorbs all the UV rays, and so these UV rays do not reach the earth's surface, right? Okay ji. Okay ji. Now next is Nishchay. हम्म. बेटा मैं अभी उस टॉपिक पे आई नहीं हूँ, अभी हमने वो टॉपिक कर लिया. वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग दिस टॉपिक टुमारो, राइट? तो हम कल ये डायग्राम भी ड्रॉ करेंगे. आज हमने सिर्फ ये इतना टॉपिक किया है. दिव्या, रोल ऑफ एक्सोस्फीयर इज दैट इट makes the earth the part of the space. Actually there is no proper role of exosphere. This is just a thin layer of atmosphere. Beyond this there is space, right? एक जिसको हम बाउंड्री बोलते हैं. Is that clear, Divya? Now next is Myra. Myra, you want to ask something? Morning ji. बच्चे, आई कुड नॉट हियर यू. क्या बेटा? बेटा 300 किलोमीटर तक है, 300 या 320, ठीक है, अप्रोक्सीमेटली 300. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर मायरा? ओके, नेक्स्ट इज राघव. राघव टर्न. यस राघव. Beta, stratosphere is the second layer, right? It extends up to 50 kilometer. Two major roles of stratosphere are there. Number one, aeroplanes or jet planes, they fly in this layer. Why? Because troposphere में तो weather changes हो रही है, means cloud formation भी होती है. तो stratosphere में cloud formation नहीं होती, right? So वो cloud से ऊपर उठ के aeroplanes और jet planes आपके fly करते हैं. One तो is this, ठीक है, very few clouds are there. नंबर टू, इसी लेयर में एक और छोटी सी लेयर है ओजोन. ओजोन आपने सुनी होगी, वो स्ट्रेटोस्फीयर में ही होती है. ओजोन लेयर, इट एब्जॉर्ब्स द हार्मफुल यूवी रेज ऑफ द सन, राइट? सो दैट इज व्हाई ड्यू टू ओजोन द यूवी रेज डू नॉट एंटर द अर्थ surface. So we all are safe from the UV rays. Is that clear, Raghav? Raghav, is that clear? Thank you. Yes. After this, Natansh is there. Natansh. Atmosphere, बच्चे, blanket of air around the earth, जो अर्थ को चारों तरफ से घेरे हुए है. एक चादर है एयर की अर्थ के अराउंड, दैट इज नोन एज एटमॉस्फेयर, राइट? ओके जी. एनी अदर डाउट टू एनीवन? अगर किसी को अभी भी डाउट है, प्लीज टेल योर फ्रेंड्स टू अटेंड द क्लास, बिकॉज यू माइट हैव ऑल्सो सीन इन एग्जाम्स द थिंग्स दैट यू स्टडी इन क्लास, दे usually come in exams, right? So tell your friends to understand the things from the class. It will be very easy. Again, I guess there are students absent. So many students are absent. About 20 students are absent. This is not right. Okay? Tell your friends to attend the class regularly. If there is any other doubt, you can ask me. Bhavuk Dua. Yes, Bhavuk. Yes, Bhavuk. Morning. As you you wish भावुक, जैसे आपका दिल करे. If you have time today, you can draw, right? It will be easy if you draw the things side by side, then you don't forget. Okay? Now Balraj, it is the turn of Balraj. Yes, Balraj. Unmute yourself. हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी, बिल्कुल. हाँ बेटे, आपको टाइम टेबल नहीं पता? मंडे टू वेडनेसडे बेटा, मंडे टू वेडनेसडे 9 o'clock आपकी साइंस की क्लास होगी. मंडे टू वेडनेसडे, राइट? फर्स्ट पीरियड. और सेकंड पीरियड स्टार्ट होता है 10:10 पे, राइट? 10:10 पे. आई डोंट नो किसका पीरियड है. आपको मैसेज आ गया होगा मैम का, शायद एसएसटी वाले मैम का ही आया है ना? तो यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट विद हर. ठीक है, राइट? इज दैट क्लियर? यस गौरी, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द डायग्राम इन द फेयर कॉपी. चाहे आज ड्रॉ कर लो, चाहे फ्राइडे को असाइनमेंट आएगी उसमें तब ड्रॉ कर लेना. इट्स अप टू यू. इफ देयर इज एनी अदर डाउट, यू कैन आस्क मी राइट नाउ.